Today, we are going to know about such a species of bird, which is the smallest bird in the world. This bird is as beautiful to look at as it is important for environmental conservation. So if you want to know about it, watch our full video. Hummingbirds are fascinating creatures known for their remarkable agility, iridescent plumage, and unique flying abilities. Hummingbirds exhibit a remarkable diversity of species with a wide range of sizes, colors, and ecological adaptations. From the tiny bee hummingbird, which is the smallest bird in the world, to the majestic giant hummingbird, which is one of the largest species. Hummingbirds inhabit a variety of habitats, from tropical rainforests to high-altitude mountain ranges. Hummingbirds belong to the family Trochilidae, which comprises over 300 species. They are native to the America, with the majority found in tropical and subtropical regions. Hummingbirds are believed to have evolved around 22 million years ago in South America. Hummingbirds are small birds, with most species measuring between 3 to 5 inches in length. They have vibrant plumage that can shimmer and change color depending on the angle of light. Hummingbirds are primarily nectarivores, feeding on the nectar of flowers using their specialized long, slender bills and extendable, tube-like tongues. They play a crucial role in pollination, as they transfer pollen from flower to flower while feeding. In addition to nectar, hummingbirds also consume insects and spiders for protein, especially during the breeding season. While some hummingbird species are non-migratory, many undertake long-distance migrations between breeding and wintering grounds. These migrations can span thousands of miles and often involve crossing ecological barriers such as mountains and bodies of water. Hummingbirds typically breed during the spring and summer months. Females build small cup-shaped nests using plant fibers, spider silk, and other materials. Often attaching them to branches or other structures. They lay 1 to 3 eggs, which they incubate for about 2 weeks. After hatching, the chicks are fed regurgitated nectar and insects by both parents until they fledge. Despite their small size and agility, hummingbirds face threats from predators such as birds of prey, snakes, and even larger insects. Conservation efforts aimed at protecting hummingbird habitats and reducing human impact are crucial for their survival. Hummingbirds play a vital role in ecosystems as pollinators, helping to maintain plant biodiversity. Many flowering plants have evolved specialized floral traits to attract hummingbirds, including bright colors, tubular shapes, and copious nectar production. By visiting flowers to feed, hummingbirds facilitate the transfer of pollen between plants, contributing to plant reproduction and genetic diversity. Despite their small size and intense lifestyle, hummingbirds can live relatively long lives compared to other similarly sized birds. How did you like our video? Please comment. And if you liked our video, please share and subscribe to our channel.